What's good, y'all? I'm Joshua Myers, aka Moban Kiki, MOBAN and I'm an illustrator and comic book artist from Columbus, Ohio. Today I want to talk about the dangers of staying in your comfort zone and how I am currently getting out of mine as you watch me draw this character with a bunny backpack. Staying in your comfort zone keeps you stagnant because it stops you from trying new things and improving new processes and ideas. My first example in this is someone who only draws anime but never takes the time to learn the art fundamentals or study real life anatomy. I used to be in this exact same position because I started out wanting to draw anime and manga. Realism did not interest me and I knew nothing about art fundamentals. I started an art class at Columbus State Community College during my senior year of high school and was only allowed to draw observational drawings. This was a struggle because I was not experienced with this, and I also never drew on paper bigger than around 14 inches by 17 inches, so I had to draw bigger than usual. I was completely out of my comfort zone, but I learned more about light and shadow, drawing still lifes, silhouettes, and negative space. This improved my art because I would keep these ideas in mind even when I drew anime and manga characters. Shortly after graduating high school, I would look at videos about anatomy drawing, and by the time I started going to Columbus College of Art and Design, I also started drawing with pens. Drawing with pens would make me think about the lines I put down because I knew I couldn't erase it. And this helped the most during anatomy studies since I had to think about how our bodies are attached, light and shadow, negative space, and silhouettes. This improved my art even more, especially when I took figure drawing and had to think about drapery and how our clothes would fall from certain parts of our body. I was also able to use fundamentals like perspective, composition, form, and value. This gave me a better understanding on how to draw, and it also improved my art style because I started mixing anime with realism. This semi-realistic style was way better than what I could draw during high school, and it has only gotten better now that I know which parts of a character I like to stylize without the drawing lacking the fundamentals. My second example involves working with others as a team. I could count on one hand how many other artists I knew growing up who are my age and went to school with me. I never worked on art with any of them, but we would discuss what we were working on and what our current passions were. This would change during my second semester at Columbus College of Art and Design when I took collaboration across the design. Each project required me to work with others who were artists, photographers, videographers, graphic designers, and various other majors that were at the school. After that, I would also intern with Freestyle Comics. Freestyle Comics is an independent publisher by Mike Watson, and he allowed me to collaborate with the other interns so we could work on our own comics. I had learned how to letter and ink other people's pencils in that experience. And after that, I would discuss my ideas with my friends, and eventually we started working on some personal projects together. The first one was a one-page comic with my friends Jaden Garden, Tim Bevins, Justin Helms, and Aria Denson. I collaborated with Tim again later the same year, and we created Inking Under Pressure, a book that discussed our struggles to navigate the art industry and grow our personal businesses. We even split a table at GalaxyCon Columbus and are currently working on the merch for our book. Working with my friends makes the process way easier because we feed off each other's creative energy and we can focus on our strengths to complete projects more efficiently. We are less likely to burn out and we can keep each other accountable. My last example includes creating content for YouTube and Instagram. I grew up reserved and didn't enjoy being in the spotlight because I didn't want people to see my mistakes, and I would also get anxious with a bunch of eyes on me. I have to get through this fear of being seen if I want to table at conventions and make sure people know the comics, books, and prints I'm working on. I actively have to make the conscious decision to record videos edit them, and do voiceovers as I put myself out there. No one is going to do it for me, so why would I stay stagnant and not do it for myself? If I want to make money doing what I love, then I have to learn new skills and find opportunities to support that. I can't sit here and expect the opportunities to come to me when there's no way for people to know who I am and what I do. Dreams only become a reality when you implement the systems and habits to get there. You must change in order for there to be a change. So what do you have to change about yourself and your daily habits in order to reach your dreams? Please like and subscribe for more content like this. And let me know what you're doing to make sure you stay out of your comfort zone and achieve your dreams in the comments below. Have a wonderful day, and remember to stay hydrated. Till next time, my friends.